Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prevent your Dodge Charger from being stolen. First, always prioritize parking your Charger in a secure, locked garage whenever possible. If a garage isn't available, choose a well-lit, high-traffic area. To combat key fob signal interception, store your key in a Faraday bag or box. Additionally, a visible steering wheel lock like the club can act as a strong visual deterrent, making your car a less appealing target. Don't forget to use locking lug nuts on your wheels for added security. Moving to more advanced protection, many Chargers can utilize an enhanced security mode, often called valet mode, which limits engine output to less than 3 horsepower without a specific 4-digit code. Installing a hidden kill switch can prevent your car from starting even if a thief gains entry. A neutral release lever cover is crucial, as thieves often exploit this to push vehicles away. For ultimate protection, consider an IGLA or Start Defender immobilizer, requiring a unique button sequence to start your engine. Should the worst happen, tracking and recovery systems are vital. Services like Sirius XM Guardian or a dedicated Mopar tracker provide real-time GPS location. For an inexpensive backup, discreetly place an Apple AirTag or similar device within your Charger. The Dodge mobile app offers remote features, including locking and tracking your vehicle. Additionally, an intrusion module can detect forced entry, glass breakage, or even internal movement, triggering a loud alarm. Finally, adopting smart habits significantly boosts your Charger's security. Always lock your doors using the interior door switch, as this prevents signal interception from your key fob. Never leave your key fob near your front door, as thieves can use signal extenders. Stay vigilant for suspicious vehicles or individuals, especially when parking. For an extra layer of defense, install an OBD-Roman 2-port lock or consider relocating it, making it much harder for thieves to program new keys.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.